So we are asked, Ebuka bought a bag for 300 and sold it to Echezona at a profit of X%. Echezona then sold the same bag to Adobe at a profit of X%. If Adobe paid 24x plus 3 over 4 naira more for the bag than Ebuka, how much did Echezona pay for the bag? Okay. The question, okay, it's simple. First, we know that the relationship between selling price, cost price, and percentage profit and loss, it is given by the selling price is always cost price 1 plus X percentage profit over 100%. So this is plus. Okay, guys, let's do it plus or minus. Where plus is percentage profit, and minus is percentage loss. I've derived it in my former video. So that's the first thing we'll have to know. And we have three persons here: Ebuka, Echezona, and Adobe. So let's CPE, that's CP subscript EB, CP subscript EC, and CP subscript AD denotes their cost prices. So this is for Ebuka, Echezona, and Adobe, and SPAB, SPEC, and SPAD. There's their selling prices. So from the first statement, they said Ebuka bought a bag for this and sold it to Echezona at this. So we now see that the selling price of Ebuka is now cost price of Echezona. Yes, because he sold it to Echezona. And we can now write this in terms of cost price. So we now see that it's now cost price of Ebuka 1 plus X%. That's at profit of X%. 100% is equal to CPEC. Do you get? We now decided to write selling price in terms of cost price using this formula. That's the relationship connecting selling price, cost price, and percentage profit or loss. If it's profit, plus; if it's loss, minus. So that's our equation 1. Again, they said Echezona, that's selling price of Echezona, sold it to Adobe, cost price of AD. Do you get the logics? So the second thing, they say Echezona sold that same bag to Adobe at that space. So let's write selling price in terms of cost price, which is now cost price of Echezona 1 plus percentage profit, because you write plus X% over 100% equal to CPAD. Yes, because our main aim, they said that if you look at the third same, they said if Adobe paid this naira more than Ebuka, so we are to relate cost price of Adobe to that of Ebuka. So, but what we have here is cost price of Echezona. So we need to relate this. Looking at equation 1, I can replace this with this. So from equation 1, we replace CP Echezona with this. So which is now CP Ebuka 1 plus X% over 100% times 1 plus X% over 100% equal to CP Adobe. So what is, okay, let's reduce this percent. So we can now see that this is CP Ebuka times 1 plus X over 100 all squared, because what is here equals CP Adobe. So, and here they told us that Adobe bought this more than Ebuka, so which implies that cost price of Adobe minus cost price of Ebuka will give us 24x plus 3 over 4. Yes, because they told us that she bought it this amount more. So that's how we generated this equation. We substitute this with this so that we have common term. Because I can't work with this, so I need to replace cost price of Adobe in terms of that of Ebuka. So which is this? So substituting this, okay, let's write this equation 2. So we substitute equation 2 in equation 3. This is equation 3. Okay, let me divide this. We now have CP Ebuka 1 plus x over 100 squared minus CP Ebuka equal to 24x plus 3 over 4. So do you get it? I substituted cost price of Adobe with this in terms of writing in terms of cost price of Ebuka is this. So we substitute this here. So as you can see, we have a common term, this and this. So factor, we have CP Ebuka. So we have 1 plus x over 100 squared minus 1 equals 24x plus 3 over 4. Okay, we substitute the value because they told us that the cost price of Ebuka is 300. So we substitute 300. We have this 300. We open up this, which is 1 plus 2x over 100 plus x squared over 10,000. Okay, minus 1 equals 24x plus 3 over 4. So this 300, dividing both sides by 300, I have this 1 minus 1, so I have 2x over 100 plus x squared over 10,000 equal to, dividing both sides by 300, this is now 1,200 to 4x plus 3. 2. So we have 2x here plus x squared over 100. Do you get it? I divided 100-ish. I multiply both sides by 100. Okay. So we have 24x over plus 3 over 12. And if you look at this, this 2x plus x squared over 100. This divided by this is 2x plus this divided by this is 1 over 4. Do you get? This over this is 2x. Why this over this 1 over 4? So comparing. So we have that x squared over 100 is 1 over 4. Yes, because this is off. So x squared is now 100 over 4, which is 25. And 25 is 5 squared. Therefore, x is 5. So the value of x is 5. But we are not asked to find x. We are asked to find how much did HS, or the cost price of HS on it, which is this. So we are using this. We'll use this. So therefore, cost price of HS on is CP of Ebuka 1 plus x over 100, which is 300, 1 plus 5 over 100, and this is 300 times this is 100, 105 over 100. So this is off. So 3 times that is 5, carry 1. So 315. So that's our answer, 315 naira. That's the cost price of Echezona. So the question is very tricky, but you just take your time.